In this problem, I'm trying to get an explicit formula for a sequence that's given to us as a recursive formula. And the way I normally like to start this is by writing it in expanded form, and then we'll just try to recognize a pattern and then try to cook it all into an explicit formula. So I have a1 equals 2, and then a2 is given by plugging in n equals 1 into this recursive formula, and it gives me 3a1. And so that's 3 times 2. I'm going to leave it expanded like that because it makes the pattern recognition easier. A3 you would find by plugging in n equals 2 into the recursive formula, and I get 3a2. In other words, all I'm doing is multiplying the previous term by 3 every time. That's 3 times 3 times 2. A4. Sub in n equals 3, and I get 3 times a3. And that's 3 times 3 times 3 times 2, and so on and so on. And then I have to recognize a pattern that allows me to write this as an explicit formula. Well, I'm starting at 2, and then I start tacking on factors of 3. And if my index is 2, there's one factor of 3. And if my index is 3, there's 2 factors of 3. So the number of factors of 3 is always one less than the index. So I can write an is equal to 2 times 3 to the n minus 1. And then I do just a quick, at least mental check to make sure this is all working out. When I plug in n equals 1, I get 2 times 3 to the 0, which is 2. I plug in n equals 2, and my explicit formula gives me 2 times 3 to the 2 minus 1, which is 2 times 3, giving me 6, and so on and so on. It looks like it's generating the right terms.